Welcome back. Good morning. Today we are making one ingredient cheese crackers. So let's get started. What you will need is 1 block of cheddar cheese. I just bought New York cheddar cheese extra sharp. Now unwrap your cheddar cheese and place it on a cutting board. Cut our cheese into blocks. Just like that. And then we're going to take the strips and we're going to cut them into cubes. So I managed to get exactly 100 cubes out of this 1 block of cheddar parchment paper. And we're going to take 3 cubes. Just make sure you have enough room so that when you put these in the microwave, they have space to spread out. And we're going to take this sheet and we're going to place this in the microwave for 30 seconds. Everybody's microwave is different, so you just need to play with it and see what the perfect timing is for yours. Now you can see they've spread out considerably because these are going to continue to harden when they're out of the microwave. Take a paper towel and pull them off of your parchment paper and place them on the paper towel. Wipe off the excess oil on your parchment paper and you just continue to reuse it for the rest of your cheese. When they're still pliable, like that, a spoon or something with a round handle, and you can wrap your little pliable cheese crackers around the spoon and just place it down so it holds it at the seam, and let that dry like that, and you'll have little cheese tubes which make an adorable, use them to dip. Just place your crackers in your bowl just like that, so that when your company comes over you'll have a cute, delicious, quick snack. Here are little tubes. I did 2 of them. They've dried. And these are adorable too. Just place these in a bowl. Have a great day. Thank you so much, and I will see you in a little bit. Bye.